Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to get a Google Sheets document shortcuts for your home screen with iPhone. So to do that, we just need to open the Google Sheet application first, and we need to copy the the documents that we want to create the shortcuts. So here, just let's say I would like to create the shortcuts for this document. You just need to go click these three small dots and just copy the link. The next thing you need to do is just go back into our home screen and visit the app library and just type shortcuts. This shortcuts application will help you to have or to create the shortcuts of the documents for your home screen. Right after that, take a look on the three sections down part here. Just go visit the gallery, and in the search button you just need to type URL. You just need to wait until the URL option is just coming up, and then you just need to go click this pause button, which is the open URL, and then you just need to go cancel, and you just need to visit your shortcuts. And this shortcuts application, you just need to go click these three small dots to customize it. The next thing you need to do is you just need to scrolling down, and you just need to paste the link that you have been copied into this part, and then you just need to go click it and just paste it. Right after that, you just need to go click X and you're done. Now to put this into your home screen, you just need to go click this button and go add to your home screen. You can even creating the new name here. You just need to type the title of the document. You can also change the icon from your photo. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click add. And now those shortcut is already on your home screen. So whenever you want to open the balance tab, you just need to go click it, and you just need to always allow. And now you already got the documents open. Just need to go back, go click it again, and it will be automatically bring you into the documents. So that is the way how to create the shortcuts for your spreadsheet documents on home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.